Alright, so this is, I guess you'd say part 3 of the horn fix. So is what I elected to do was I just cut those nubs off and pre-drilled them with a 332 drill bit and just put 4 screws in there to hold it down. And the reason why I did that rather than the glue was because you never know, in the future this might happen again and I might need to take this off and bend it. But it's working pretty good right now. It's not making that contact. You got to kind of push it hard to get it to go off. But I'd rather push it hard than have a little bit of condensation drip in there and cause the horn to go off. So that was a relatively cheap fix. Thought it was going to cost me about 40 bucks buying the part from General Motors, eBay, or whatever. Couldn't actually see this part on eBay, but I did see this with the part, and people are asking 40 bucks for them, so that's not an option for me. Another option I was going to do is I was just going to add a horn button down here and just completely disconnect this, but now it's fixed. I've been going through 10 years of torture of not having a horn that worked the way it was supposed to work, so extremely happy now. Hope some of these videos help you guys out if you're having a problem with your horn.